Hello everyone and welcome back to Clip English.
Hi everyone, I'm Olivia.
And I'm Michael.
Today we are starting something new and very useful.
We're going to practice 100 daily English sentences together.
This is called shadowing practice.
Shadowing is simple. You listen to us and then repeat the sentences out loud.
You should speak at the same time as us or right after us.
This helps your pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence.
You don't need a partner. You can practice alone.
We will speak slowly and clearly so you can follow easily.
Today we will practice the first 20 sentences.
In future episodes, we will continue with more sentences.
Are you ready?
Let's begin.
Please repeat after me.
Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning. How are you today?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
My name is Emma. What is your name?
My name is Emma. What is your name?
I am from Egypt. Where are you from?
I am from Egypt. Where are you from?
I am 25 years old. How old are you?
I am 25 years old. How old are you?
I am a student. What do you do?
I am a student. What do you do?
I like drinking coffee in the morning.
I like drinking coffee in the morning.
Today is a beautiful day.
Today is a beautiful day.
I want to improve my English.
I want to improve my English.
I practice English every day.
I practice English every day.
Could you please speak more slowly?
Could you please speak more slowly?
I don't understand. Can you repeat that?
I don't understand. Can you repeat that?
Thank you very much. You are very kind.
Thank you very much. You are very kind.
I had a good day at work.
I had a good day at work.
What time is it now?
What time is it now?
I need to go home now.
I need to go home now.
It was nice talking to you.
It was nice talking to you.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
That was the first 20 sentences.
How do you feel?
Did you repeat after us?
If you didn't repeat, please go back and try again.
Shadowing works best when you speak out loud.
Don't worry about perfect pronunciation at the beginning.
Just try to copy our speed and sound.
The more you practice, the more natural your English will become.
You can listen to this episode every day for 1 week.
Repeat these 20 sentences until they feel easy.
After that, we will add more sentences in the next episode.
Little by little, your speaking will become smoother and faster.
Remember, you don't need a speaking partner to improve.
You can practice alone every day with us.
Thank you so much for practicing with us today.
If you enjoyed this shadowing practice, please like this video.
And subscribe to Clip English so you don't miss day 2.
Share this episode with a friend who is also learning English.
Keep practicing every day.
Even 5 or 10 minutes is enough.
We will see you in the next episode.
Take care and keep speaking.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye!